I will never look at the word submissive the same way again after learning this. Let's uncover the true meaning in the original Greek. Alright, theologians, buckle up. We're about to dissect the Greek word often translated as submissive in the New Testament. The term in question is ὑποτάσσω, pronounced ὑποτάσσω. Contrary to popular belief, ὑποτάσσω doesn't imply blind obedience or inferiority. It's a compound word from ὑπο, under, and tasso, to arrange, meaning to arrange under or to align oneself under a mission or cause. In ancient Greek military context, ὑποτάσσω described soldiers arranging themselves under the command of their leader, emphasizing unity and purpose. It's about teamwork and mutual respect, not subjugation. In Ephesians 5:22, where wives are instructed to submit to their husbands, it's about mutual cooperation in the marital relationship. It's a call for harmony, where both partners support and uplift one another. So, submissive in Greek isn't about losing individual identity or power. It's about forming a partnership based on love, respect, and a shared mission. Pretty enlightening, right? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into biblical Greek, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more theological insights. Catch you next time.